Okay. Good afternoon. My name is Tushar. Can I know your name, please?
Ma'am, my name is Ishu Kopleja.
What should I call you?
You can call me Ishu.
Okay. Can I have your identification?
Yes, ma'am, here it is.
Thank you. Let's talk something about your studies. Which subject are you studying at the moment?
Ma'am, as I am a student of interior design, I have recently passed out my graduation. I want to learn the concepts of Vastu in interior design. I have purchased a book from the market related to Vastu. Vastu is all about telling us where our temple should be placed in the home and where bedroom and kitchen placement should be in the home.
Right. Why did you choose to study this subject?
Because I am always having interest in the interior design field, and Vastu is completely different aspect if we compare it to the interiors. Basically, Vastu is completed by the architects in the homes, and I think because I am having an interest to learn to grasp the new concept that so this for a particular reason I choose to
Right.
this.
And is there any subject that you are not studying but are interested in?
Yes, there are number of subjects in our life that we didn't study in the past, and we would surely learn it for the future because it will make us be confident for our future. And the subject I want to talk about history of our ancestors, and how this is being evolved over the time. And I think I want to learn about history,
Okay.
humankind.
Right. Now let's talk about music. How do you usually find out about new music?
Generally, because we are having number of social sites which we are daily using in our routine life, and whenever I am scrolling YouTube, I am getting new suggestions all the time, and basically I do listen like most of the time trance. It will not. It will always um, friends some way for me all the time.
Right. And where do you normally buy new music?
Because as I am using Android rather than Apple phone, I think I am getting new music all the time on YouTube, Instagram, and on Facebook, and on other social sites as well. Like some actor or actress has released a song, they will share the information about particular music on the Twitter itself.
Right. Do you think listening to music can have an impact on our mind?
Yes, to a larger extent, it have an impact on our mind. We can work, we can indulge in number of tasks confidently, and we are having inner satisfaction with us. Like music generally tells us about the what is going inside the world, and how we should tackle the tasks
Okay.
of the future.
Now let's talk about friends. How often do you spend time with your friends?
Because as in regular routine, I am having a hectic schedule. So in weekends, I generally go to my friend's place and enjoy there. And we basically go to the markets, and restaurants are the basic place we go in our regular days.
Okay. And what kind of things do you do to show that you are a good friend?
Firstly, um, well, that's an interesting question. Firstly, I think to show someone that I am a good friend, I have to be with them all the time in their like if they are needs if they need some help from me, they can call me anytime. I am having enough courage or struggle to fight for them all the time.
Okay. Would you prefer to have a lot of acquaintances or just a few good friends?
Because as I am a mature person now, and I'm adult, as being an adult, I think we should have less friends as compared to more acquaintances. As um, people who are generally who are fraud are having more acquaintances than people who are genuine may have sometimes less friends in particular.
All right, thank you so much. That's the end of section one. Now I'm going to give you a cue card. You have 1 minute to prepare and 2 minutes to speak about. You may make use of a pen and a paper if you wish to make notes, and here is your topic. You may start speaking.
Thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak on this topic, as there are a number of outdoor activities that we do enjoy in our daily life. But today I would like to talk about activity which I rarely do whenever I'm going to uh, in other states of my nation. But as whenever I am residing in Himachal Pradesh in the coming future, or I did in the past number of activities like on the banks of the river, and there is a place situated in Manali which is generally all about trekking, that some sort of camps we have to take with us, and go inside the mountains and stay for a night there. And because as there are number of places in Himachal Pradesh region, like Manikaran, Manali, Kutla, Kalga, Lahore Spiti Valley, and I am moving from time to time on the number of places just to do the trekking, and I do think that I am getting a lot of opportunities, that how can I explore my time, and because as every person have a hectic schedule in their daily life, so people do enjoy in their daily life, and because from my point of view, as having a hectic schedule, I think I should go on such places and relax my mind by listening the trance, uh, and there are number of activities which we can enjoy. As in North India, the food is awesome. For this particular reason, I also head towards the Himachal Pradesh region, because they are providing aristocratic food which is healthy and beneficial for our health.
Okay, thank you so much. That's the end of section two. I'm going to ask you a few more questions based on the same, as we have been talking about the activity that you enjoy outdoor. Let's consider first the topic of conserving outdoor spaces. Do you think that people nowadays are more or less aware of conserving public spaces for parks and reserves in comparison to 20 years ago?
Uh, can you please rephrase this question?
What is your opinion that people nowadays, are they more or less aware of conserving the places for parks and reserves in comparison to what they used to think or do in past few years?
Yes, people are more thinking about conserving the parks and natural wildlife sanctuaries as because as in the past there were no planning about where parks and wildlife sanctuaries should be set up. In the present time, as government is implementing the effects of pollution in the environment, uh, nowadays government is planning to do in the outskirts of the city rather than in middle of the city. Parks basically are situated in the middle of the city as people are in an urge to um, roam in the parks in their free time from their
Some
hectic
people
schedule.
argue that urban development is more important than keeping public spaces for recreation. What's your view?
Urban development is ultimately more important for keeping public places. Um, it is mainly because people mostly prefer to live in the urban spaces, as more development should be done in the urban places itself, as people are residing in the past in the urban places and people want to live in the future in the urban places, and more development according to more hotels and transportations should be provided in the urban developments.
Who tends to enjoy outdoor recreation spaces more? Young people or old people?
Uh, well, mostly it is enjoyed by the young people as well as the old people because it completely depends upon their mindset that how do they want to enjoy. Younger people basically go to ride the bicycle and ride on motorbikes in their streets or roads, and older people do enjoy their life in the sitting in the parks with their colleagues or friends, whatever we say there.
Okay, now let's talk about working outdoors. What type of jobs do people in your country do in the outdoors?
Basically, as there are a number of jobs which people do in the outdoors, like it completely depends upon their professions that how they are going to learn new things and what new things they are going to provide to the market. And as being a profession, as being a person in the profession, people do like enjoying the tasks in their daily life, and which makes them happy, and people do indulge in the task of like uh, helping the people in charity in social development of the area.
Okay. What are some of the advantages of working outdoors?
There are numerous advantages of working outdoors. Like if we are working indoors, it may humiliate us, and the sort of satisfaction we are not getting indoors. But as being working outdoors, it mainly helps us to we can see the people how they are doing the work. We can learn new concepts, and this mentality can make us tackle to overcome the future tasks.
Right. And are there any drawbacks of working outdoor?
Yes, there are a number of drawbacks which we can consider while working outdoors. Like if we are doing a work related to the field, we are going somewhere for a particular work, which can be done, which can be given by the company to us people, and it mainly results in like accidents sometime when we are riding on a bike or on a car.
Right. Thank you so much. That's the end of your test. Thank you.